The GracePort Plus HMI cover kit from Grace Technologies is a highly durable and customizable 12-inch cover kit that will give your components important coverage from dust, oil, dirt, water, and other industrial contaminants that you may encounter through indoor or outdoor applications. This HMI cover kit is UL recognized and has an FIP polyurethane gasket system, boasting a tough and fixed design, and secure mounting on the outside of an enclosure is simple. The clear cover is UV rated and is manufactured with polycarbonate thermoplastic and has a corrosion-resistant 316 stainless steel hinge pin. The customizable capabilities of the GracePort Plus HMI cover kit allows for company logos and text printed on the faceplate. Specific configurations that can be used with other Grace Technologies PESDs and GracePort components, and faceplates tailored to provide housing for other HMIs made by other manufacturers. GracePort Plus also has flexible mounting with hinges on the top, bottom, left, or right, and comes with padlockable housing for optimal protection. For more information on the GracePort Plus HMI cover kit, visit us at galco.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to GTV for new videos posted every week.